Namaste. Hello. This is Vasant Ponkshe, a retired officer for Bank of Maharashtra. My mobile number is 9422319827. First of all, I am thankful to all the bankmen, those who have appreciated my video series. The first video series was Wither Bank Nationalization, and the second series, which is going on, the videos of which I am pushing on YouTube, which is titled as Bank Nationalization to Bank Privatization, in which I am covering a period from 1947, 1969 to 2020 latest position I will be pushing as days come. Now, many of my young banksters, bank officers, they requested me that I should give some inputs to them, some tips to them as to how they should keep themselves relevant in the changing times and how they foresee the steps to be taken as far as working as a bank officers in decades to come. So I'm coming out with one more video. The title of the video would be Successmantra for Bank Officers to Remain Relevant in Challenging Times in Banks Ahead. And this is a small, what we can say, curtain raiser video or a promo video of a short period I'm posting on the YouTube just for the information. You can await for my regular main video. Now in that video, what I shall be covering, I personally feel that the changes which are likely to come in banking sector, whether a private bank or a public sector bank, the roadmap for the officers in banking is going to be very challenging. And the challenges are going to be manifold. The challenges are in terms of mindset. The challenges are in terms of HR policies which will undergo change. Challenges in terms of huge technology disruptions which will change banking 360 degrees. Then financial issues will be there, children education issues will be there. So I will try to cover as many points in my video. So about what I shall be talking in my videos as to how you should manage your finances, how you should manage your stress, how you should go for self-assessments about your stress, about your financial position, how much should be your loans vis-a-vis your net monthly income. Now, you know, the government of India has come out with a new education policy. New education policy is going to change the entire education scenario of this country. And your children, those who are going to be the beneficiaries of this policy, that is going to affect your career also, and your career planning and your finances planning. How APR systems will change, how promotion systems will change, what will happen to the transfer policies of the bank. All these things I will try to cover in my video. Then, as I told you about the finances, as I told you about the stress management, I will be trying to deal with my tricks as to how one should self-assess the job burnout. Are we case of a job burnout? Are we a border case of stress and all these things? And I'll be talking about insurance also, my suggestion, how much you should be insured, how the way in which your loan should be insured, and how much money will be sufficient for you to lead a good retired life, how you can tactically choose annuities even at your young age, how NPS is likely to deal. Many of the youngsters are dealing with the NPS. How NPS scheme may deal in long-term future. What are the schemes which are coming for girl childs? What are the schemes which are coming for boys and all these things? I'll try to explain what is necessity and what is lavish expenditure. I'll try to tell you about the ratio as far as the savings is concerned and expenditure is concerned. And few more points also I will try to deal with. I have dealt and I have worked in the banking industry till my retirement and even after my retirement for a period of more than 50 years. While working in the union, while working in the retirees, I have come across many live cases, and from those live cases I have tried to formulate few tips to you so that if these tips are followed, you should not worry about your jobs, you should not worry about your progress. You should not worry about your promotions. You should not worry about your transfers. All those tricks I will try to explain in my video, how the hierarchy would work, and what type of higher education, what type of skill development you should keep in mind. What are the areas wherein the more skilled bank officers will be required. All these points I will be dealing in that video, that is Success Mantra for the bank officers. This was a promo of that video. Please await for my regular video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you.